Welcome. If you want to get a LED keyboard on your ZTE Blade A7S, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. We will get this application from ZTE Studio, so let's install. Click to get started, click OK. Click on this LED keyboard, click OK 2 times, then move to the input options and switch to LED keyboard. When we are here, we are also able to pick the theme that we want. I will go for the LED. It's my favorite, and I think that I'm going to apply RGB dance. So click, tap download theme, and right now, just take a look right here how our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.